This is a final project for IT 573 at the University of Tennessee.
Today we're doing Sharpie Art. Things you need. Canvases. Rubbing alcohol. Kids, don't consume this. It's poison. Sharpies. Things that might be helpful. Hair dryer. Straws. Gloves. Bottle. Paper towels. It's better to do this outside because alcohol is strong smell.
The straw gives better control over where the alcohol goes, but the spray bottle is a faster application. You can use a hairdryer to move around the colors on the canvas. You could also use a straw if you don't have a hairdryer.
Yeah, some scotch just didn't work. Some markers didn't work.
During this project, we learned a few things that might help you have a better experience. The first thing we learned is that darker colors don't work as well with the alcohol. So if you stick to lighter colors, you'll have a better product. However, if you'd like to use darker colors, you can wait for your canvas to dry, apply small amounts of the darker colors, and then apply small amounts of the alcohol so you can control where it goes. This can help you cover areas of your canvas that you didn't like. We also learned that stretched canvas works better than canvas boards because the alcohol is better able to saturate the canvas. No matter what process you use or what colors you use, you should turn out with a beautiful product, something that you can hang up on your wall and be proud of.